again.
Mom, open up!
I take it this is yours?
Now you listen here, mister. I don't know who you think you are, but you've got no right to manhandle my son like that.
Your son and his friends were in my subway yard, making trouble. Again.
It was my first time on a hoverboard.
On a what?
I mean, my new board.
Yeah, whatever the excuse, you should keep him on a shorter leash.
Hey! You can't tell my mom what to do. She's the best mom in the whole world, and if you ever tried...
All right, Jake, all right. Just settle down. I'll handle this. You get to your room and you think about what you've done. Was that too much? Was I too mean?
I don't know, lady.
He's such a good kid. So sweet. And usually so well-mannered.
No, you can't have my pudding. That's the best part. Well, go ahead. Give me, Chad. I'm not giving you my... Oh, what the, huh? Oh, thanks, little fella. You always know when I'm having a bad dream. How many times do I gotta tell him? Not in my yard. What the...
Auga! Auga! Shh! Dog! Dog!
Gonna be dog food. Not done.
Jake, we got a jet.
Trying to concentrate.
That dog looks kind of rabid.
Art cannot be rushed.
It's your funeral, Picasso.
So, what do you think?
Cool, man, cool, but you got a drip.
Oh, dude, good eye.
Flash, you want to be eaten alive?
Gotta go!
It's colorful, but not in my yard.
Just me? Are you faster today?
Not gonna distract me with your wisecrack! But yeah, I just started taking Pilates.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. He catch you yet?
Who, guard? Nah, looks like he's running out of steam.
That dude's toast.
Oh boy, now look what you did.
I hate to say it, Jake, but I think you got a tapeworm.
Oh, that was close.
Jake, behind you.
Oh!
Wait till we get our paws on you, you rotten little...
Whoa! Oh yeah. Ooh, no way. No. Not bad. Ooh, voila. Oh!
Who's in?
Jacob Bristler! You're in big trouble now, mister!
Sit! Cat! Ham and cheese? Oh, yeah, ham and cheese. Look, forget the yard. Meet me at Mully's. I'm starving.